Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I wanted to bring you, I know this is kind of like a last minute, but I honestly didn't think of filming this before and then I realized it might be too late, but you still have 1 day left for the Ulta Hello Holidays sale. This is a 4-day only online only sale where you get to shop some of your favorite products. Today I figured that I would share with you guys what my favorite products are from that deal, even though it ends on November the 12th, and hopefully this video should go up by November 11th. So with that said, grab your cafecito, grab your wallet, grab your phone because you're going to be adding these to the cart as you go, and let's get right into today's video. If you go on your app, right here at the very front it says Hello Holidays sale, so let's click on that and let's go to shop all, and we're going to go through the category of what they have, and I'm going to share with you some products that I have tested out that I use that I recommend you getting, especially with the sale. To make it easier on myself and you guys, I'm just going to be scrolling through, and whatever product I see that I have, I'm going to share that with you. So the first thing that I see is the Juvia's Place Blushed Duos. So these normally retail for $18 a piece, and right now with the sale you're paying only $10.80. I own, I think, more than two, but I don't know where the other one is because sometimes my daughter uses it. But these blushes are amazing. The quality is great, the packaging is very cute, and of course you get two shades. I have here the volume 4, and this one kind of went viral for a while. You get a very pretty light pink and then you get a darker pink, and the pigment is really nice. I mean, like, look at that. That is just one swipe of the blushes. Maybe if my camera wants to focus. There we go. Super, super pigmented, and these just look so great on the skin. They're nice and velvety and powdery, but not in a bad way. Also have the volume 2, which is a little bit more peachy. You get a light like poppy peach, and then you get a more like true orange. And honestly, these just look great on almost any skin tone because you are getting a lighter and a darker shade. Another product from Juvia's Place is their bronze duos. This is in the shade medium, and this is one of my favorite bronzers from the drugstore. It's actually the one that I'm using today. And again, you get two shades for only $12, which is such a great price. And there's a lot in here, so very unlikely that you're going to hit pan very quickly unless you use it every single day. I don't use the same bronzer every day, but this one is great. This one is a little more neutral, and then this one is a little bit more warm. Again, great quality. It's just it's a good bronzer in general. Also from Juvia's Place, their cream bronzer. This one is in the shade Caramel. It's one of my favorites. I use that a lot on my tutorials. It's just a really nice creamy pigmented bronzer, but it's not like thick, but the perfect shade. And then they're also having a sale on their liquid blushes. The liquid blushes are $10.80, and the cream bronzer is $10.80. I have a few shades, but these are the ones that I just kind of grabbed. I have Soft Tulip and Blush Lily, and I purposely got these because I like to match them with the not accordion, but the matte bronzer. These just look really nicely. And then of course, if you are more of a pink blush girly, then you need this. This is like the perfect duo or trio, I guess you can call it. Your cheeks are just gonna look so cute, so pink, and at a great price. I have come to the conclusion that Real Techniques is like my favorite drugstore brush brand because they are so affordable. And right now they're having the, let's see, Everyday Essentials makeup brush and sponge set. I don't like their sponge, but their brushes are amazing. So they have this 5-piece for only $13.99. It comes with a brush like this. Mine are all gonna be dirty, so I am sorry about that. But this is a blush brush. I like to use mine for bronzer, but it does a great job of applying blush as well. It comes with the RT200 brush, which is perfect for either liquid, powder, bronzer, blush, anything that you want to. You can use this for. I use it for everything. It also comes with the RT300. This one is not it. It's a little bit bigger and a little bit more fluffy. This is the 402, but nonetheless it's really good. And then it comes with one similar to this, but again, mine are all dirty, and girl, I have a mess in my room right now because I've been filming back to back that I'm just like not even cleaning at this point. I'm just like on the go. This is something that I'm really excited for because I've actually been wanting to buy the Eyelash #2 perfume. I have the little travel size and I love it. I mean, I've used quite a bit, but I don't use it as much because I have hundreds of other perfumes, maybe not 100, but this one smells really good and it's pretty much the same packaging as this one. The only difference is that this one is like a dark charcoal gray versus this one is gold. It is so pretty, like the visuals are there, the smell is amazing. This one smells like a warm hug. It's a vanilla scent, perfect for like the fall, the winter. And I feel like this one is a little more like dark, a little more seductive, a little more spicy, if you will. So this is the 1.7 ounce, and this one is on sale for $43.40. But if you want the big size, you're only paying $50 for it. And I feel like these perfumes last quite some time on me. If you're a fan of Morphe products, let me just quickly recommend some of my favorites that are on sale right now. Of course, you guys know that this is my absolute favorite setting spray, the Morphe supercharged with ceramides and antioxidants. This is my baby. Like, I have gone through at least 3 at this point. This is the big one, and then this is the smaller size. Honestly, they both last me about the same, but it's amazing. I need this in my routine every single day. This is the one that I recently bought. If you love blushes, these are actually quite amazing. I was gonna say pretty amazing. This is the Hot Shot Natural Heat Blush. These are more liquidy, very, not sheer, I'm gonna say, but they're very natural. I love this one for the days that I'm wearing little to no makeup because it is a little more on the sheer side. It's not gonna be crazy pigmented, but if you want something that's a little creamy, a little more gel-like, then go for the Euphoric Rush 3-in-1 Silk Blushes. This one is in the shade Addicted. First of all, the idea behind it, genius. That's literally what sold me. These are nice and creamy, and these are pretty pigmented. I do have to say that you do have to set these if you are oily skin, because these can make you a little extra greasy just because they have that silky formula, but nonetheless, not only is the packaging really cool, but the product itself is actually really good. Honestly, Morphe palettes are pretty much a hit every single time. This one though, I think is great for the upcoming holidays. So if you just want an affordable palette for the holidays, I mean, you can use it any other time of the year, of course. This one is the Gold Seeker palette. These are so good. Like, the quality is amazing. The mattes are pigmented. The shimmers are really nice, but these foiled eyeshadows, you can use them wet or dry. You can create a beautiful eyeliner with this, and it's just stunning. I believe I've used this in my videos before. I'm not sure, but it's really, really good. And I like that it's small, it's sleek, and you can easily travel with it, and it's not too much. I feel like when Morphe does their big palettes, it's like too much. This is just the perfect amount. And if you're a lip girly like me, you have to try these. These are the Soulmates Velvet Lip Soulmate Velvet Lip Mousses. Oh my gosh, I need to go to sleep. I have a few shades. I have my Boo, I have Quick Rush, I have Wifey, and Kiss Goodbye. Obviously, all of these are in the nude family, and they're really nice. They're creamy, they're velvety, but they're not drying. These are only $8.40 at the moment. I'm going to share with you, I'm going to swatch my Boo, which is probably my favorite shade. It's a true nude brown. It's like a soft brown. These are just so comfortable on the lips. They don't completely dry down, so they aren't going to be transfer proof, but they just look really nice on the lips. The last thing that I wanted to mention from Morphe is the Lightform Extended Hydration Foundation. Now, this one isn't going to be the best for oily skin. I still enjoy it though. I just really have to make sure that I set my skin with powders, that I prep my base with an oil or a mattifying primer, and then I set my skin with a mattifying setting spray. This foundation just looks really nice on the skin. It's hydrating, it's breathable, it's lightweight, and it's super long wearing, and the packaging is really cute. So I really like that, and it's not too crazy full coverage where you're gonna look cakey. It's medium to buildable full coverage, and it just looks really nice on the skin. This is for all my lash girlies. These are some of my absolute favorite lashes that are obviously on sale. So these are the Lash Couture Masterpiece Hot Couture eyelashes, and I have a few. These are the Pret a Pour, but I also have the Couture, or the Hot Couture. I think these are actually the Hot Couture. I believe I believe that's what they're called, Haute Couture. I just had them in this package, but these are so pretty. I love the band. It's really thin, so it's nice and comfortable. These are on sale for $7. Regular price is $10. They also have a sale on a few of their Rebel Voluminous Shaggy Foam Mink Lashes. These are in DRUGSTORE. I have used a few of these and I really like them. They have an invisible band, so you can use them with or without eyeliner. Other favorite style from them are the Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection in the style Teddy. I don't have them anymore because I used them a bunch of times and then I honestly forgot to restock on them, but that's what they look like. These are also really good. I'm not sure if these specific ones are on sale, but these are the Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection in the style Baby Doll. These are just really, really pretty and you get quite a few, so you're gonna be saving a good chunk of money. The last thing I wanted to recommend to you guys is the NYX Brow Essentials Kit. So this one is going to be an online only exclusive, and they have the 3 set for only $17.50. It's usually $25 and valued at $34. So it comes with the brow pencil, it comes with the lift and snatch, and the brow glue. I've used the NYX brow glue and it's really, really good. I just haven't purchased it anymore because I do prefer the Ardell brow glue a little bit more. Their brow pencil, I used to use it years ago. I don't use pencil on my brows anymore, but for the price and for what you're getting, I think it's a great deal. And this, you guys, this is my absolute staple in my makeup routine. If I don't have this, I cannot do my brows. This is again the Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. I use mine in the shade Black, and this is what I use to fill in my brows. To create faux hairs, this is what you need. So that is the last recommendation that I have for you guys. There's so much makeup on sale, so if there's any time to stock up, restock, or buy for, you know, Secret Santa or a friend, a family, whatever it is, and now is the time. So I hope you guys found some helpful information, and I hope I helped you choose some products. Let me know what you're going to be buying from the Ulta sale, if anything. And if you don't buy anything, it's okay. Don't feel like you're missing out because makeup comes and goes. But with that said, thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Stay safe. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.